Are you running, scaling paid media campaigns, but looking at your dashboards only to realize your marketing attribution is filled with missing data? You see the ad spend going out, but your customer experience platforms and CRMs are completely disconnected from the original ad click. This massive data gap makes it impossible to see which creative, keyword, or campaign actually generated your bottom line revenue. Why is this happening? Because traditional web pixels are blind to deep offline milestones. Between iOS privacy updates, browser restrictions, cookie degradation, and aggressive ad blockers, your front-end tracking is dropping vital signals. Before the user ever touches your back-end sales pipeline, you end up optimizing your marketing blindly, unable to scale what truly works. To solve this crisis, you must deploy an advanced pipeline that seamlessly connects your paid media channels to your customer environment platforms and internal data structures. Hello, my name is MD Niamul. I am a marketing, attribution, server-side tracking, and conversion tracking specialist delivering precise tracking architecture for modern businesses. Alhamdulillah, since 2022, I have successfully executed over 850 projects helping clients globally resolve broken tracking frameworks and generate over 11 million US dollars in verifiable revenue. I specialize in engineering ironclad data systems that eliminate missing attribution data completely. Our missing data solution starts directly within Google Tag Manager. Standard client-side tracking configurations drop data because they fail to capture the complete user context. I build specialized custom code by GTM using advanced HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to repair and optimize your site's native data layers. We establish custom script listeners that perfectly capture unique click identifiers, traffic source variables, and user data parameters at the exact moment of engagement. By managing these triggers and variables flawlessly, we build a resilient first-party data asset. We simultaneously implement Google Consent Mode to ensure complete GDPR and privacy compliance without dropping the underlying conversion signal. The true core of this advanced solution relies on server-side tracking. By routing web and interaction events through our own secure cloud server container, we completely bypass browser restrictions, achieving up to 99% data accuracy. From our cloud server, we deliver pristine event parameters directly to Google Analytics 4 and execute multi-channel conversion APIs across Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Snapchat, but we take it a step further by deploying advanced CRM conversion tracking. I explicitly connect your offline sales milestones and pipeline transitions from HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho, Go High Level, Pipedrive, and Odoo back to your ad networks. The moment a lead converts into a closed deal inside your CRM, a secure server postback informs your paid media platform exactly which ad campaign was responsible. To keep this infrastructure flowing flawlessly without manual intervention, I design automated data streams. Using marketing automation tools like N8N, Zapier, and Make, this completely bridges the gap between your customer experience touches and back-end systems, funneling raw marketing data directly into a high-performance BigQuery SQL data warehouse. With this perfectly unified structure, I build custom, real-time Google Looker Studio live dashboards. This gives your organization a single, clear, widescreen source of truth to visualize absolute marketing attribution, monitor exact customer lifetime values, and seamlessly scale global performance. If you need this kind of advanced work, then definitely contact me. If anyone needs help or any assistance while working on the topic of marketing attribution, missing data solution, paid media platform, CEM and CRM, you can contact me directly on WhatsApp or visit the website and make a live booking. All of that critical contact information will be mentioned in the description box and the comment link below. Stop losing your customer journey details. Track with absolute server-side precision. Thank you for watching, and let's scale your business globally. Assalamu alaikum.